Kolter has done just an amazing job allowing you to build your home around what your wants and needs are.
Starting with the selection of the community, which is gorgeous, and the location, all the amenities that they offer to the staff, really feel like it was kind of built around what we wanted.
So it's not just the beaches, it's the arts, the entertainment, and the dining. So many restaurants.
Sarasota in particular, they call the Culture Coast because of the arts, the performing arts, the visual arts, the fine arts, and just through the evolution and the demographics of the population, the cuisine is high-end. We have more selections here in Sarasota than we did in the suburb of Washington, D.C.
Hi, I'm Cris, and this is my husband, Richard.
Hi, and we're really excited about moving into our new home in Artistry Sarasota.